you're driven, you want it, cannot be given. You got it, and when you figure the moment that you're the best, you're devoted, then yeah, take a second to confess that you're committed, and what the rest of